say about things. You want to say hello?
Hello.
There it is. A little taste of that mimicry. And let me just tell you, it's just the beginning when it comes to Groucho. Groucho has picked up on all kinds of different things. So why don't you just take it away, Groucho? Let's sing. That was a good start. You want to try again? Let's sing. We move. So sometimes we get off track, just like a human would, right? You know, we get distracted by things. Groucho, let's try that again. Let's sing. Yeah, it was a good kiss and good stuff for sure. We were looking for that song, Groucho. What do you think? Let's sing. Pretty amazing, right? And it doesn't end there. He already gave us a little hint about what we're going to do next, right? You want to give him a kiss again? That's so cute. Yeah. Good stuff, that kiss. Once more, for sure. Okay, so, like I said, Groucho, amazing at mimicry. He knows about 7 different songs. So, if we're lucky, what do you think, Groucho? You want to sing one more? Let's sing. We already heard that one. We already heard it. All right, Groucho, that is your favorite, isn't it? And before you head on off, do you want to say goodbye to everybody? You want to say goodbye? Let's sing another song. Let's sing again. It's a good start. Yeah, and I'm hearing in my ear, that was Groucho. Thank you so much for coming out, Groucho. We appreciate you coming out. Got a little off track there, but that's okay. Thank you for helping out, Lisa. I appreciate it. And you know what? Groucho is a pretty awesome bird, and he's incredible when it comes to mimicry. But